That is the reception. This is the Bangkok. This is the canteen. The cafeteria. This is the receiving area. This is your drinks on arrival. Free drinks. Bye bye. Bangkok. You have gasoline station in front of the hotel. And then the car park. Car park is good. Nice. And nice. Uy, may momo. Sweet and sour. Pakbong. Vegetables. Zero 8. This is how it looks like when you get inside. Let's lock the door first. In better. Okay, so here it is. They have the bathtub. Oh, huge. Very huge toilet. Very big toilet. And they have the shampoo and toiletries. You have the rain shower. There. And the water heater, you have 2 towels. It's kind of clean. The room is so big. You have so many extras. This will be your what is this? There's a light there. You have a small fridge there. You have coffee and tea. You have the television. And you have this chair. And look at the bed. Quite nice. 1 queens and 1 single. And look at outside. You can go outside. Ooh, and look at the view. Look at the view. And there's a 7-Eleven there. So you can just go out of the hotel and then buy your cheap stops, from 7-Eleven. And there's a Lotus there. So the only disadvantage of this is it's quite far from the city. I mean from the center of Bangkok. It's called LADPRAO. So it's not so nice. It's only 670 a night, so not bad. Hi baby. And the wonderful thing in here is one of the reasons why I choose this hotel is because of this. Because of her. Because of her. Look at her. Oh, hi Bella. Happy? This is what you have in the corner of your room. See? You can see the city. And below the building, there is your 7-Eleven, where you can buy your stuffs, your food, or anything, rather than buying your food in the hotel. That's all. Nice. And the sunrise is there. You also have the sunrise. If you are taking the room 408, A408. Okay, that's all. Bye bye.